So, you're thinking about starting a vlog in 2025, or maybe you're upgrading your setup? Good call. Cameras today are wildly capable, even at the entry level. But here's the thing, you don't need to drop $3,000 to make professional-looking content. You just need the right tool for your style. Whether you're walking through crowded city streets, filming sit-down content, or chasing adrenaline, I've tested dozens of cameras this year, and these are the 5 I'd actually recommend for vlogging right now. Let's get into it. If your vlog involves movement, like real movement, this is the camera to beat. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is hands down the best action cam for vloggers in 2025. It shoots up to 5.7K at 60 frames per second, has a massive 177-degree field of view, and no joke, the hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization is so good, it's like having a gimbal built in. We use this camera for biking, skiing, and some very uncoordinated running, and the footage came out shockingly smooth. Plus, that 8:7 aspect ratio sensor is amazing if you want to shoot one clip and use it for both YouTube and TikTok. There's a small front-facing screen for framing your face, and the media mod is a must if you want better audio and accessory mounts. It's waterproof to 10 meters, pocket-sized, and totally bomb-proof. Not great in low light, but for anything outdoors, a no-brainer. This thing? Kinda genius. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the ultimate all-in-one for vloggers who are always moving. It's basically a 1-inch sensor camera with a built-in gimbal, and it fits in your palm. You're getting 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, buttery smooth stabilization, and auto-tracking that actually works. We tested this walking through a crowded convention, set it down, hit record, and it followed us across the frame without losing focus. The creator combo is worth it. You get a tripod, wireless mic, battery grip, wide-angle lens, and a hard-shell case. The mic surprised us. It handled noisy environments like subway stations and expo halls way better than expected. Battery life is decent, 2 hours on its own, 4 with the grip. It's not perfect in low light, and you can't swap lenses, but if portability is a priority, this camera nails it. If you're ready to graduate from phone vlogging, the Sony ZV-1 II is where most creators should start. It's made for vloggers. RS at 30 FPS, slow motion at 120 FPS in 1080p, a flip-out screen, and a directional mic built right in. It even ships with a little fuzzy windscreen that does a decent job outdoors. The lens is 18 to 50 millimeters equivalent, which means you can frame yourself easily at arm's length and still zoom in for detail shots. And the background defocus button? Super handy if you want to blur out clutter behind you without fiddling with settings. Now, it's not perfect. The menu system is still classic Sony, red, a bit clunky, and it doesn't have in-body stabilization, but Active Steady Shot does a decent job for handheld talking head clips. We've used it for sit-downs, street interviews, and even travel vlogs, and it just works. If you want a vlogging first camera under $1,000, this is it. Alright, if you're getting serious, and I mean B-roll, slow-mo, log footage, color grading serious, this is where you go next. The Sony Alpha 6700 is the best bang for your buck mirrorless camera for vlogging right now. You're getting 4K at up to 120 FPS, a larger APS-C sensor, 10-bit log recording, in-body stabilization, and Sony's amazing real-time face and eye autofocus. It's bigger than a compact vlogging cam, obviously, but it's still lightweight enough to vlog with. And the fully articulating screen makes framing easy from any angle. What really impressed us? Low-light performance. You can shoot in a dim cafe or during golden hour, and the footage still looks clean. Battery life? About 3 hours per charge. You'll want a second one, but that's pretty great. It's not cheap, but if you're aiming for pro-level visuals without jumping to full frame, this is your move. This might be controversial, but hear me out. The Insta360 GO 3S is the most fun we've had vlogging in a long time. It's the size of a thumb drive, records 4K at 30 FPS, and has a 135-degree field of view. You can stick it to walls, hats, your shirt, or use the action pod for a screen and extra battery. For run-and-gun creators, or anyone who wants to be spontaneous, it's magic. Mount it, forget it, and capture everything. Battery life is short on its own, about 30 minutes. But the Action Pod adds another 3 full charges. And because it saves gyro data, stabilization in post is incredible. You can even use the software to reframe your shots after the fact. Low light is its weak spot. But for quick edits, day vlogs, or POV content, the GO 3S absolutely punches above its weight. There you go. Those are the vlogging cameras we'd actually recommend in 2025. From high-end mirrorless rigs to palm-sized powerhouses, there's a tool here for every type of creator. Starting out, grab the ZV-1 II or Osmo Pocket. Going all in, the Alpha 6700 is built to grow with you. And if you want something creative, fun, and weirdly powerful, the GO 3S is wild. What's your setup looking like this year? Are you Team Sony? Going full GoPro? Or maybe you've got a hidden gem we should test? Drop a comment. Let's talk gear. And hey, if this helped, hit like, maybe subscribe, and as always, shoot smart, edit sharp, and stay inspired.